It's part B. Solve the equation 2x plus 5 over 3 minus x equals 14 over 15. By cross multiplication, this will be 2x plus 5 into 15 is equal to 14 into 3 minus x. Multiplying, expanding the brackets, this will be 30x plus 15 times 5 is 75 equals 14 times 3 is 42 minus 14x. Now 30x plus 14x equals 42 minus 75. This will be 44x equals minus 33. Then x is equal to minus 33 over 44. Minus 33 over 44 is minus 0.75. The value of x is minus 0.75. Part C. Solve these simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. Y is equal to 4 minus x and x square plus 2y square equals 67. Let's say this is equation A and this is equation B. Now using equation A in equation B, this will be x square plus 2 into y is 4 minus x, its square equals 67. X square plus 2, opening this square, it will be 16 plus x square minus 8x equals 67. Expanding the bracket, x square plus 32 plus 2x square minus 16x and minus 67 equals 0. Now this will be 3x square and 32 minus 67 is minus 35 and minus 16x is equal to 0. Now this 35 times 3 is 105. So now by factorization, this will be 3x square minus 21x plus 5x minus 35 equals 0. Taking 3x as common, this will be x minus 7 plus taking 5 as common, this will be x minus 7 equals 0. Now 3x plus 5 into x minus 7. From this either equals 0. So from this either 3x plus 5 is 0 or x minus 7 is 0. And from this x is minus 5 over 3 and from this x is 7. Now by using A and the values of x, when x is minus 5 over 3, then y equals 4 minus 5 over 3. This is equal to 4 plus 5 over 3 and this is 17 over 3. By dividing it, it will be 3 times 5 is 15 and remainder is 2. So y equals 5 whole 2 over 3. So this pair will be minus 5 over 3 and 5 whole 2 over 3. And when x is 7, then y equals 4 minus 7. So 4 minus 7 is minus 3. So this pair will be 7 minus 3. Minus 5 over 3 and 5 whole 2 over 3 and 7 minus 3.